today means a tremendous amount to me personally. When I set the Growth Hub up back in 2011, we set out with a really big ambition to really change the face of Greater Manchester, to provide that business support infrastructure that would become part of what the city was about. So to see it all these years later, still thriving, still going from strength to strength, it means a lot to me because we've achieved that vision that we set out at the start.
But actually to hear it from people's own mouths as to the impact that it's had, how their businesses have grown, how they have grown, how they've been able to build their network and make a difference in the city has been heartwarming, uplifting and just deeply inspiring.
It's been absolutely brilliant to reflect back over the last 12 years of everything that we've delivered in terms of impact that we've had on the businesses and the city region of Greater Manchester.
The Growth Hub is the exemplar growth hub in the country, has the biggest range of services, the biggest range of clients within it, and demonstrating how it can help Greater Manchester grow and develop. You're going to get genuine help from people who really want to see you succeed.